Hey everybody, welcome back to the Calibrate Tools channel, and this is the Calibrate Tools Spotlight Edition, where we go out into the community and meet those people who use tools, their hands, and their creativity to earn a living and provide for their family. So today we're going to meet Gabriel. He's been a sign maker for quite a while now, and we're going to look at some of the tools and methods that he uses to repair and make signs. So stick around, and I'll see you guys right after this.
My name is Gabriel. Been in the sign business for 35 years. I make signs, which comprises of China letters, vinyl laid out, so forth and so on. Also install signs and also build signs. So this one of the signs is a repair. So this a repair. Everything that was in there, we took it out and then re-establish it for it to be like new. So
So you're basically refurbishing the sign?
Yeah, I cut the sign down. I cut the sign down from 15 feet to 9 foot.
Okay, so you cut it from 50, it used to be 15 feet long.
Right, see? Took this part, cut it down here, and then took away about 14 feet, 9 inches, and then push it in through the other part and wait. And then just the end of it, I push it in there, and then rip everything up there.
You riveted everything
after I cut the sign down shorter.
Okay.
To the specific size the customer wants.
Yes.
And then republish it. Put new lamps in there and everything.
So you put new LED lights, new lamps, all in the inside.
Right.
Okay, that's what the customer wanted.
Right.
So what tool did you use to cut the sign to reduce it?
I use
angle grinder?
Yeah. I use a saw.
Okay.
And this to give me a good angle so it can, look exactly like it's supposed to be.
Gotcha. So you use the snippers.
Snippers to give it a 45 degrees so it can, it can look good at that.
Gotcha.
And then pop rivet it, like over here. I can even put a screw there if I want to. Later on, I'll put a screw in here. Over here too. That will give it added strength.
Okay, so you're gonna put a screw in there.
Yeah.
To reinforce it.
Reinforce it. Just in case you want to change light bulbs and stuff, you don't have to do it. Like just remove the screw instead of pop rivet that one.
Okay, so you don't want to rivet these.
Yeah.
You just want to put a screw here just in case you need to remove something easily. So what are we doing here, sir?
Mountain LED lamps.
So you're mounting the LED lights in the sign.
Right.
And you have to use a specific type of caulking?
Yeah, silicone.
Silicone caulking for that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's additional strength.
Oh, it adds additional strength to the mounting.
Instead of using pop rivet, you can use it. You use this, which is silicone, 100% silicone.
Okay.
And when it dries, it is very strong.
Gotcha.
You know. And then if you want to change the lights in the future, you don't have to move the bracket down here. You just remove the lamps and change the lights. That's all.
Gotcha. Is that a specific type of silicone or it's just a general silicone?
100% silicone. Clear.
Clear silicone, 100%?
Yeah.
100% silicone, like it says right there.
Plus you put like a double-sided tape on there.
Okay.
And then I've just for it to be in place.
Yes.
And then you put the silicone up there. When it dries, this is very strong.
Gotcha. So Gabriel is getting ready to show us how to use a pop rivet gun to put rivets in the metal. But because pop rivet guns are powered by compressed air, we have to make sure that the pressure in our compressor is between 40 and 80 psi. Now this is a pop rivet gun, also called a pneumatic hammer, and we'll get into more detail on how they work in another video. But they basically join two pieces of material together, usually metal, with a rivet. This is a rivet.
The bigger side goes in the middle. Look at that. Okay. And you can drill another hole here.
That big piece of plastic over there was the previous sign.
Right.
Now it has to be cut to fit this new sign here.
Yeah, but when I use that, we use new plastic.
Oh.
Because that one we just brought into this.
Yes.
Everything, the frame is very strong.
Yes.
Because this 060 aluminum. 060 is very thick.
Aluminum.
Yeah.
Okay. A specific type of aluminum you said?
Well, they got the tin aluminum, which is 040.
Okay, so this is 060 aluminum.
Right.
So which is very thick?
Very thick.
Okay.
You can't, it's very strong. And like, it don't get rust. Lifetime guarantee.
Okay.
No rust.
No rust.
You can beat it for 100 years. No rust.
It can last about 100 years. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, you got a peek into how to make signs with Gabriel, the master sign maker right there.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Gabriel. Okay, guys, one of the main things I want you to take away from this video is that you got to support the businesses in your community. okay? Because the businesses are what keeps the community strong. And also, we need to build more businesses as well. So, guys, give a shout out to Gabriel in the comments, okay? Because Gabriel's out there working hard at Swift Signs in Inglewood, California, by the way, okay? So if you learned something from this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.